I will.
Get that car right there.
Whoa. Did you see that flash of lightning?
I did.
Glad none of these other cars flooded. Yeah, we're out of the rain. We're out of that little pond right now.